Hello? Do you want to scan this QR code? No, don't scan this QR code. You're gonna get scammed. So, how can a pile of pixels store a link inside it? Actually, the answer is quite simple. You see, there are certain parts that are always the same, like these, which allows scanning devices to recognize them immediately. The data is stored here with pixels, black or white, so zeros and ones, which can be understood by machines. When it finds the orientation points, which if there is a quiet zone around the QR code, it knows everything inside is part of the code and starts reading. Reading progresses in a zigzag pattern from bottom right upwards, then goes down again in the next column. The first 4 pixels indicate the type of data: numeric, alphanumeric, binary, or kanji. After that, it's filled with 4 by 2 blocks representing 1 byte with 8 bits, until it reaches the end message block, which is just a block of 4 zeros, meaning 4 white pixels. Let's look at an example. If we wanted to store the uppercase letter S in ASCII binary, it would be like this, and we get this 4 by 2 pattern. Repeat this, and you can store pretty much anything you want. They even have error correction built in, so you can lose 30% of it, and it still works. Plus, they come in different sizes, which, is super useful. So yes, these are genius inventions. But wait, why were these black and white squares needed? Here's the answer. Oh no, this barcode cannot store enough information, said a Japanese engineer at a car factory, so they made them bigger and turned them into a grid. Wow. Do you think this worked? Yes, it worked. And it's mega fast. People love them because they look cool. Plus, they can turn those long links into cool-looking square shapes. That's why they're everywhere now, and make our lives easier every day.